Hey guys, happy Monday. Miss you all so much. I hope everyone is doing well and that everyone's feeling good and everyone's families are feeling okay. You guys can always text me. A lot of you have been reaching out about this, that, and the other. Please feel free to call, text whenever you need anything. Your lesson for today and for the whole week is going to be a little bit of review about systems of equations. Remember that a system is just when I give you more than one equation, and then we have like a couple different equations. And when we find a solution to a system, we're finding the coordinate that they have in common. So remember when we graphed them, it was wherever they crossed because it was the coordinate that the two lines share with each other. We're not going to be graphing anything today because not all of us have graph paper at home. So we're going to start reviewing with substitution. Remember that substitution is when one of the equations is usually already set equal to one of the variables, and you're just going to take one of your equations and you're going to substitute it in for one of the variables. I gave you guys an example video to look at from Khan Academy, and that exact example is in your classwork under your examples. You'll see as soon as you look at your classwork that the example from the video is in your packet. Please know that you guys should be using a notebook. If you don't have a notebook, you know that you can pick one up from the school when you go pick up your food. And all you need to do is you need to open up your notebook, and at the top of your notebook, you should write just the date, just whatever day it is, and then you can literally just write notes, number 1. And all of you are super organized. All of your work should just be shown on this paper. I included in here that your exit ticket is going to be extra credit for anyone who emails or texts me a picture of your exit ticket. What does that mean? It just literally means that you're going to have a piece of paper, you're going to write exit ticket, and then I want to see number 1 and your work for number 1, number 2, and your work for number 2. And you can just take a picture of it and send it to me. If you don't have a phone and no one's home right now, it's okay. Just take a picture of it whenever you have an opportunity to and send it to me. Make sure that you have the date on it though, so I can make sure to give you credit for any exit tickets that you do. Remember, this part is actually just going to be extra credit to your grade. So again, step 1, what I want you to do is you should open up the classwork, and you'll see that right off the bat, we have a couple review questions, and then we have, of course, my notebook decides to break right now. Perfect timing. I'll deal with that later. Download the classwork, look to see what you have to do. Look at the Khan Academy video. It's only a few minutes, and it has your example problem in it. I'm also going to push you guys, if you're confused about something, you can always reach out to me during office hours. But you also, if you're working on a computer, you can also Google it, look up more examples if you need. We can talk that over during office hours as well. So again, happy Monday. Reach out to me during office hours or at any other time to ask any sorts of questions about your math work, or just fill me in on how you're doing. All right. Bye, guys.